Hey guys, happy fall. So I'm going to be doing a vlog. I think this is going to be like a vlog. I think this is a vlog. But today is the first day of fall. It's September 23rd. I think it's the 23rd. So I was just laying in the bed and I wanted to start to get faux pumpkins for the porch and the back patio, because I'm going to be decorating a little bit the back patio as well for fall. And I'm going to go to some stores like Michael's and Kirkland's and stuff like that to get some faux pumpkins. I wanted to go with Adrian, but he's a little under the weather today, so I think tomorrow we'll go and get like mums and stuff to decorate. But I also wanted to talk about Koda, because I didn't tell you like exactly what happened to him, because when we were in it, we're still in it, but we're a little bit past it because he's doing a lot better. But the weirdest thing happened to him. So Koda, if you guys don't know, you're new to my channel, we've had Koda, we adopted Koda April of 2021. So he'll be 3. His birthday is in January, so he'll be 3 in January. So he's relatively young, and you know, a lot of times he does sleep with us at night. So he hops off our bed and then hops in his little bed that's beside our bed. He does that all the time, not a big deal. But on September 1st, apparently he hopped off our bed and landed on his elbow wrong, like while we were asleep. And so the next morning when we woke up, me and Adrian were about to go on a day date, and he couldn't walk. And it scared us, obviously, because he's so young. And so we were going to take him to our regular vet, but then they were closed that day because it was Labor Day weekend. It was Labor Day weekend. So we had to go to this different vet that we didn't really like. But they said it was a elbow fracture, and that Koda had mild arthritis, which is crazy because he's so young. We didn't realize that he could have arthritis this young, but it was mild, and they said it was a elbow fracture. So we went to like a specialty vet, and they ran tests and blood work, and we did a CT scan and everything, and it turns out that he had a blood infection that was present in his body before the accident, and because he has mild arthritis, it was triggered, it like localized in the elbow injury. I hope that makes sense, because it still doesn't make sense to me. But we were very scared and like devastated and everything. But he got put on a very strong antibiotics, and he's been on it for the last almost 2 weeks, and he's gonna be on it for another month or so to make sure his blood and everything is good. But it's crazy. He could not walk for about a week and a half, and as soon as he got on those antibiotics, within 3 days he started to walk again. So I was like, how can antibiotics make you walk again? It's insane. It's insane. But we thank God for healing Koda. We thank God for the vets and everything. They were amazing. Well, some of them were, but like the specialty vets were amazing and everything. And we're just grateful that Koda is doing better. Right now, he does have a limp, and we asked the specialty vet, can he start physical therapy soon? And she told us not yet. So he has an appointment on the 29th, and after he's cleared with that, we'll probably start with physical therapy so he can, get back right. But he's doing really good. And it was a very scary September, the first 2 weeks. Me and Adrian, we didn't, really leave the house. We just made sure he was okay. It was really, really bad, but he is doing so much better. Of course, I did document the process, because it was just like, I just couldn't believe this was happening. It was really scary. But I also wanted to share this because I asked you guys about a year ago in one of my vlogs, should I get pet insurance? And I just want to say thank you guys so much for telling me to get pet insurance, or telling us to get pet insurance, because the amount of money we have spent on Koda in just September alone is insane. So shout out to you guys. It was so many of you guys that told me to get pet insurance, and I'm just gonna flash you guys on the screen, and I'm probably gonna like respond to the comments from last year that, you know, told me to get that. I just want to say thank you, because it's been so helpful when we have those claims processing and everything. But if you are somebody on the fence, like, should I get pet insurance? Yes, you should, because we only pay like $35 a month for this pet insurance, and we have the highest tier. So for a full year of coverage, I think it's up to $5,000 that it'll cover, and the deductible you have to meet is $250. And we met that deductible the first time he went to any appointment this month. So shout out to you guys. I just wanted to share that, you know, before we get into anything fall. But this was a very scary situation, but God came through. Shout out to God. Shout out to my family for praying. Shout out to me and Adrian. I feel like, you know, even though it was a scary situation, it definitely brought us closer. Very scary, but thank you, God, for, you know, keeping Koda, because I was like, that's my baby. Please don't let nothing happen to my baby. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I don't like, you know, sharing too much personal stuff, but, you know, I feel like that can help somebody. You need pet insurance, okay? Because these dogs are pretty much like children. They are very expensive. So I'm gonna go inside Michael's and look for some faux pumpkins, and then just kind of shop around. So I hope you guys are having a good day, and I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. I have not been vlogging that much this year. I'll probably try to do a little bit more vlogging for you guys, because I enjoy watching vlogs. Recently I've been watching a lot of Face Over Matter. I really enjoy her content. So let's go into Michael's. If I was decorating for Halloween, I would get that. That's so cute. Do y'all decorate for Halloween? We didn't grow up celebrating, so I never do. Oh, they already have Christmas trees? I high-key want a flocked Christmas tree. Jackpot. These look very realistic. Yes. It's 50% off. So I'm getting this here, and I'll pop in a picture so I can like do a Pinterest recreation. I'll show you guys in that video. It's gonna be cute.
you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye. Lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye. Lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional,
Good morning, guys. Look at my skin. Looks so good. So today is September 29th. It's a Friday morning, and we're on our way to Koda's follow-up vet visit. We're here with Adrian. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good. Koda's back there. So I told you guys that about Koda's injury, which happened September 1st, which was on a Friday. So it's literally, it's about to be a month. And he is pretty much, I think he is like, would you say 90% healed? He's like 90% healed. And we say 90% because he still limps. But it's so funny. The only time he limps is when he's walking. But he can run, and you won't see like a limp in his run. An update on Koda, because a lot of y'all been, you know, some of y'all, I really do think some people follow me because of Koda. Some people don't even wear wigs. They just be like, I'm so glad you're starting to show Koda more, because y'all like dogs a lot. Hey y'all, so today is September 30th, and me and Adrian, we just finished shooting a campaign But I wanted to share that Adrian just got a promotion at his job, so we're very excited for him. He's officially an art director. So in the comments, say congratulations to Adrian, because this is a big deal.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
And some other good news for me, I just got a brand deal with Walgreens.
Clap it up, keep clapping. Clap it up, clap it up, keep clapping.
We just shot a part of it like in the store, and I look like this. I don't have no makeup or anything on because we're just like shooting my hands and stuff. But yeah, it just randomly happened this week, and I'm grateful for it. So I wanted to share that. So if you see that post, I'm going to probably post it like the day of this vlog, the day of like the Walgreens post is live on my Instagram. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's iFancyCupcakes. Just show some love in the comment section.
Yeah.
Engage and everything. But it's a big deal, and I'm just grateful for Koda being okay. He's doing, the doctor said he's doing well. Adrian got his promotion. My sister, she got a new job, and then this brand deal here. So God is doing some amazing things, and I wanted to share that. So we're about to go up in Walmart and get a few things. I don't know what we think of going to Walmart at 12 o'clock on Saturday.
Yeah,
Yikes, we probably shouldn't do that.
all for a loofah.
Yeah, we got to be official in the video, so we know what we got to get, and then we can get out. So yeah, so I don't know if this is the end of the vlog, but if it is, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It probably is a little bit all over the place, but I haven't vlogged in a very long time. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.